gonna show our friends another way to think about equations. Here's an addition problem. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 3 and 5 are parts of a whole, and 8 represents the whole. Here's the subtraction problem. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 3 and 5 are still parts of the whole, and 8 represents the whole. Woohoo! The same big cake can be used for both the addition and subtraction equations.